Integration of generative AI with RPA. Generative AI, or GANs, is a branch of AI. It focuses on creating new content, like images, text, or audio, from existing data. This tech uses machine learning to find patterns in the input data. It then creates new content that mimics that data. Robotic process automation, RPA, is a technology. It uses software robots, or bots, to automate repetitive, rule-based tasks in business. RPA systems can mimic human actions and interact with digital systems. The benefits of integrating generative AI with RPA. Enhanced data processing. Merging generative AI with RPA lets businesses use machine learning. It can analyze vast data quickly and accurately. This combo leads to faster decisions and a better grasp of complex data. Improved collaboration. Generative AI and RPA can work together. They can collaborate on tasks that need both data processing and automation. This collaboration can improve problem solving and speed up tasks. It will boost productivity in the organization. Tech efficiency. Combining generative AI with RPA can boost efficiency. It can automate repetitive tasks, reduce errors, and optimize processes. This blend of advanced technologies can improve operations and spark innovation in the organization. Implementation of generative AI and RPA in business processes. Businesses are using generative AI and RPA to improve workflows. They want to combine both technologies for a seamless and efficient process. This integration requires careful planning and collaboration among data scientists, developers, and business stakeholders. Conclusion. In conclusion, combining generative AI with RPA can greatly benefit businesses. It can make them more efficient and effective.